But in translation, as the context where it is used and how they use it, translation is this one. Hello, 你好。如果你是中国人，想学习英语 of getting international certificate, HSK certificate.
Gana action, niba ushaka kwiga indimi Gana action, ushaka kuba umusirimu Gana action.
College itanga izo certificate, izo bita HSK. So I was telling those people who can ask themselves that if they don't know English, they can they learn this language of Chinese? So it is very possible. And I was telling them that there is opportunity of getting international certificate, HSK certificate. In Chinese we have, for now we have 6 levels. 6 levels, HSK 1 up to HSK 6. So if you run at Action College, we give you international certificate from which is approved by Republic of China, People's Republic of China. So in here, I would like to tell some people who speak Chinese, who want to learn at Action College English. 如果你是中国人，想学习英语，欢迎来到 Action College。我们提供英语课程，帮助你提高你的语言能力。谢谢，欢迎来到 Action College。So I was telling them that if they are Chinese people, if they want to learn English with us, they can come and then we can help them learning English. Okay? Let's continue. So we are going to see our lesson of today. Our lesson of today, we are going to see about greetings. Greetings in Chinese. Greetings in Chinese is called Wenho. Wenho is greetings in Chinese. So now let's learn this lesson. 我们开始吧。We are going to greet somebody using this informal greeting, where you can greet him anytime. You can greet him saying ni hao. Many people use this word ni hao when they don't know the meaning. The meaning is here. It means hello. Ni hao. This ni means you. This hao means good. You good. In Chinese they say ni hao means you good, but in translation, as the context where it is used and how they use it, translation is this one. Hello, ni hao. You can repeat after me so that you can memorize the word. Or you can memorize ni hao means hello. So this is the question saying ni hao ma. This is another way of greeting. You can greet somebody telling him ni hao ma. Ni hao ma. This means how are you? This was ni hao, but if you add this particle ma, this it becomes a question. Means what? Means how are you? Means how are you? Ni hao ma. You can repeat after me. Ni hao ma. Okay, thank you. We can continue. This is the response for the question. If somebody asks you, ni hao ma, how are you? You can reply saying, 我很好. 我很好 means I'm fine. This word means I. This 很 means very. This 好 means good. Me, very good. It means I'm fine according to the context. 我很好. You can repeat after me. 我很好. This is I'm fine. So this is formal greetings. You can greet somebody by using this greeting in the morning. You can say 早上好. 早上好. It means good morning. 早上好. So if you are replying to him you say 早上好 also. 早上好. Another one say 早上好. The same. There is here polite words that you can use. In Chinese culture, they like to use this word so much. If you tell somebody 谢谢 in Chinese culture is a very good word that you can use. 谢谢 means thank you. This X in pinyin we read as shi. That's why here we can read 谢谢. 谢谢 means thank you. There is another word you can use when you are going to leave somebody, saying 再见. 再见 means goodbye. 再见. This 再 means again, this 见 means to meet. We will meet again, but it means goodbye. 再见. So, there is a word that we use in class of Chinese, so you can know it. Teacher is not, in Chinese class, we don't call him teacher, we call him 老师. 老师 is a vocabulary that you can catch, that you can take in your mind. 老师 is teacher. 老师. So, if you want to know how you can call students, come at Action College, and then we help you knowing many things about Chinese language. So, how we call Chinese? What is Chinese? Chinese language, we call it Hanyu. Hanyu. Hanyu is Chinese language. Even you can call it Zhongwen. This ZH is G. That's why here we can read Zhongwen. Zhongwen is Chinese language also. This Yu is a language. This Wen is a language. Hanyu. This Han means tribe of those Chinese people. Han people. Many people know about them. So Hanyu, this is language. This is language of those tribe. So you can call it Hanyu or you can call it Zhongwen. Okay, let's go. Let's keep moving forward. There is summary here of all things that we have seen in our lesson of today. Greetings. So if I say ni hao, you repeat saying ni hao. You reply to me saying ni hao. Ni hao, ni hao. Ni hao ma, I'm asking you, how are you? You can say 我很好. You can say 我很好. Ni hao ma, 我很好. So, here we saw 早上好 means good morning. Even you reply saying 早上好. We saw here polite words 谢谢 means thank you, and we saw 再见 means goodbye. So, in classroom we say 老师. 老师 is teacher. Chinese language is called Hanyu or Zhongwen. So this was the summary of the lesson of today. So let's make it as a dialogue. So we are going to converse each other from the lesson that we have seen. There is person A and there is person B. Person A is saying 你好, other one say 你好, as we said. So person A here is saying 你好吗? 你好吗? Person B is saying 我很好. So here this person A is saying 谢谢 means thank you. Person B is farewelling, saying 再见 goodbye. So this was the lesson of today. I thank you so much and I wish you the best. I wish you to come at Action College and then we help you knowing Chinese in a short time so that you can be an international employees outside here, and then we can be many people can wish to be their employees. Thank you so much. May God bless you. If you want another information, you can call or the phone on this flyer, which is on your screen.